लास्ट पीरियड हमने कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए थे. टुडे वी आर अगेन सॉल्विंग सम प्रॉब्लम्स. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. Find the value of x. Three raised to the power 3x minus 5 is equal to 1 upon 9 raised to the power x. Now इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? Here we have the property a1 upon a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power minus m. Use this property here. 3 raised to the power 3x minus 5 is equal to 1 up 9 raised to the power minus x. Now first of all we want to equate. हमें बेस सेम करना पड़ेगा. 3 square is equal to 9. We can write this 9 as a 3 square. 3 raised to the power 3x minus 5 is equal to 3 raised to the power minus 2x. बेस सेम हो गया. Now just equate the power, क्योंकि this is indicate equal to. बेस इक्वल है तो पावर भी इक्वल है, इसीलिए 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 2x. Now इक्वल टू का साइन यहां पर है. ये अगर राइट हैंड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आ रहा है देन व्हाट विल हैपन? अगर माइनस साइड चेंज करता है तो इट बिकम्स प्लस, और प्लस चेंज करता है तो माइनस 3x प्लस 2x. ये 5 इधर लेके जाएंगे इज इक्वल टू प्लस 5. 3x प्लस 2x 5x is equal to 5. Now x is equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1. This is the answer. हमें डेली कॉपी और पेन लेके बैठना है. मैं क्वेश्चन लिखूंगा, अगर आपको आता है तो आप सॉल्व कीजिए. p by q raised to the power 3x plus 2 is equal to q by p raised to the power 2 minus x. Now here p by q और यहाँ पर कौन सा है q by p. You can use here property a upon b raised to the power m minus m. m लिखिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. b upon a raised to the power minus m. साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. देन हमें इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? q by p raised to the power minus 2 minus x is equal to p upon q raised to the power minus in bracket 2 minus x. Now it becomes p upon q raised to the power, ये 2 माइनस बन जाएगा क्योंकि प्लस इंटू माइनस इज इक्वल टू माइनस, माइनस इंटू माइनस इज इक्वल टू प्लस. अब ये ब्रैकेट के बाहर है तो इसके साथ भी मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा और इसके साथ भी मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. क्या बन जाएगा? -2 प्लस x. इट मीन्स p upon q raised to the power x minus 2. Now p upon q raised to the power 3x plus 2 is equal to p upon q raised to the power x minus 2. बेस सेम हो गया. नाउ इक्वेट द पावर, इक्वेटिंग द पावर, व्हाट विल हैपन? 3x plus 2 is equal to x minus 2. x को इधर लेके आइए, प्लस का माइनस और 2 को उधर लेके जाइए राइट हैंड साइड. 3x minus x is equal to -2. दिस -2, ये -2 यहाँ का -2 और ये +2 बन गया -2. दिस इज 2x is equal to -4. नाउ यहाँ पर बहुत सारे बच्चे माइनस इंटू माइनस करके प्लस करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता है. माइनस माइनस इज इक्वल टू ऑल्सो माइनस. एडिशन हो जाएगा, साइन वही आएगा. वो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में होता है माइनस इंटू प्लस, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस. नाउ x इज इक्वल टू -4 बाय 2. 2 * 2, 2 * 4. x is equal to -2. This is the answer. Take on the next problem. If 10 by 3 into x 3 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to 81, then find x. Very interesting problem. Now see here, हमें सबसे पहले बेस सेम करना है. 3 यहां पर एक प्रॉपर्टी यूज होगी अपनी, a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m minus n. ये यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लीकेशन है इसलिए हम कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर अगर एडिशन या माइनस का साइन होता तो हम नहीं कर सकते थे. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ 10 into 3 raised to the power x minus 1, यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1 रहेगा, माइनस 3 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to what is 81? 3 into 3 into 3 3, that is 3 raised to the power 4 is nothing but 81, that is 3 raised to the power 4. अब क्या होगा? इसमें से और इसमें से हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, 3 रेज टू द पावर x माइनस 1 कॉमन निकालना पड़ेगा। अंदर क्या बचेगा, दिस इज a 10 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 3 रेज टू द पावर 4। हाउ मच इट इज, 3 raised to the power x minus 1 into 9 is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. What is mean by 9? 3 into 3 is equal to 3 square is equal to 9. 3 raised to the power x minus 1 into 3 square is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. Now यहां पर दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी यूज होगी, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m plus n. Three raised to the power x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. 3 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. अब क्या होगा, बेस सेम आ गया, एज यूजुअल हम जैसा करते हैं, इक्वेटिंग द पावर, इक्वेटिंग द पावर x plus 1 is equal to 4। फिर से 1 उधर चला जाएगा राइट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से जब वो जाएगा तब साइन चेंज होगा, उसका साइन अभी प्लस है, जब जाएगा तब क्या होगा, x is equal to 4 minus 1, it becomes minus, therefore x is equal to 3. This is the answer. Now m square is equal to 27 raised to the power 2 by 3 m square is equal to 27 raised to the power 2 by 3 into 16 raised to the power minus 3 by 2. Find m. m की वैल्यू निकालना है। नाउ इसको चेक करना है कि भाई ये किसका कितना रूट है। 3 रेज़ टू द पावर 3 हम देखेंगे तो क्या होगा, 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3, 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27. Now 16 is equal to 4 square, 4 into 4 is equal to 16. ये क्यों करना है, यहाँ पर 2 माइनस 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा ये स्क्वायर के साथ, इसलिए हमें ये करना है। m स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3 रेज़ टू द पावर 3 रेज़ टू द पावर 2 by 3 into 4 square raised to the power minus 3 by 2. 3 raised to the power 3 into 2 by 3 into 4 raised to the power 2 into 3 by 2. ये मैंने माइनस इधर ले लिया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। ये फर्क किसमें पड़ता है, एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन में। ये 2 2 गेट कैंसिल हियर, ये 3 3 गेट cancel here. Now is equal to 3 square into 4 raised to the power minus 3. M square is equal to 3 square divided by 4 क्यूब। ये कैसे किया हमने? यहां पर एक प्रॉपर्टी यूज हो गई, a raised to the power minus m is nothing but 1 upon a raised to the power m. Here we are using the property. So ये now 2 square is equal to 3 square divided by 2 cube raised to the power 2. ये कैसे निकाला? What is the value of 4 means what? 2 square, that is 2 into 2. बाद में क्या किया? 2 स्क्वायर रेज़ टू द पावर 3। अब यहां पर क्या होगा? यहां पर कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज होगी? a रेज़ टू द पावर m इंटू a रेज़ टू द पावर n इज नथिंग बट a रेज़ टू द पावर m इंटू n। m इंटू n कीजिए, n इंटू m कीजिए, वन एंड द सेम। इसके लिए हमने क्या किया? 3 अंदर ले लिया और 2 को बाहर ले लिया। अब क्या होगा? यहां पर और एक प्रॉपर्टी यूज होगी, a by b, a raised to the power m, b raised to the power m is nothing but a by b raised to the power m. M square 3 upon, what is the value of 2 cube? 8 raised to the power 2. ये सब हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पर m स्क्वायर दिया गया है। होल का हम जब स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो स्क्वायर रूट लेने के लिए आसानी हो जाएगी। नाउ टेकिंग द स्क्वायर रूट बोथ द साइड, taking square root both side, क्या होगा? m स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट, here m स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट अंडर रूट ऑफ m स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू m स्क्वायर 1 upon 2, because the value of under root is 1 by 2. These two get cancelled. Simply m is equal to same 3 by 8. If 2 raised to the power x into 8 raised to the power 1 by 5 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to the power 5, find x. This is a very simple problem. Here सब 2 में है तो हमें सब 2 में लेके आना है। व्हाट इज द थर्ड रूट ऑफ 2 8? दैट इज द 2 क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इज इक्वल टू 8। तो 8 की जगह पर इंस्टेड ऑफ 8 वी कैन राइट हियर 2 रेज़ टू द पावर 3, 2 raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 1 by 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 5. Minus 5 क्यों? Here we are using one property, 1 upon a raised to the power m is nothing but a raised to the power minus m. Now 2 raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power 3 by 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 5. 3 by 5 कैसे आया? Again we are using the property a raised to the power m into 1 upon n is nothing but a raised to the power m upon n. जस्ट हमें प्रॉपर्टी अच्छी तरीके से करना है, हर प्रॉब्लम में सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टी ही यूज करना है, दूसरा कुछ कैलकुलेशन नहीं है. नाउ हियर अगेन वी आर यूजिंग द प्रॉपर्टी a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m plus n. 2 raised to the power x plus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 5. अभी यहां पर बेस सेम आ गया तो क्या होगा, इक्वेटिंग द पावर, क्या होगा पावर इक्वेट करने के बाद, x प्लस 3 by 5 इज इक्वल टू -5. 3 by 5 राइट हैंड साइड लेके जाएंगे. अभी वो लेके क्यों जाना है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कि हमें जो अननोन्स है वो कौन सी एक साइड रखो. अननोन, यहां पर अननोन क्या है, x है. नोन, दिस इज वेरिएबल, दिस इज द कांस्टेंट. कांस्टेंट को एक साइड में लेके आओ, वेरिएबल को एक साइड में लेके आओ. दैट इज द रूल ऑफ इक्वेशन. नाउ x इज इक्वल टू -3 by 5 minus 5. सिंपली या तो आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन कीजिए, नहीं तो एलसीएम निकाल के कीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. -3 -25 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू, अगेन यहां पर दोनों का एडिशन होगा. अगर सेम साइन है प्लस प्लस, इट बिकम्स प्लस, एडिशन होके क्या होगा, वही साइन आएगा. सपोज 3 + 5 दैट इज द +8. यहां पर भी प्लस रहेगा, यहां पर भी प्लस है. जनरली यहां पर कुछ लिखते नहीं है, जो नहीं लिखते हैं वहां पर प्लस होता है, हमेशा याद रखना है. अगर माइनस है तो यहां पर लिखा जाएगा -3 -25 इज इक्वल टू -28. एडिशन होगा, वही साइन आएगा, दैट इज -28. -28 upon 5. This is the value of x. 8 raised to the power 2 by 3 divided by x square is equal to 20 x raised to the power minus 3. See here, वेरिएबल्स एक साइड लेके आओ एंड कांस्टेंट एक साइड लेके आओ. 8 raised to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 20x raised to the power minus 3 into x square. Why into? This is a left hand side. This is in division. When it goes to the right hand side, it goes to in multiplication. अगर डिवीजन में है तो साइड चेंज करते टाइम मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 20 x raised to the power minus 3 plus 2. Here we are using the law a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Now here again we are using the property a raised to the power m into a whole bracket raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m into n. 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 by 3 is equal to 20 x raised to the power minus 1. This 3 get cancelled here. 2 square is equal to 20 divided by x. Why it is divided by x? A raised to the power minus m is nothing but 1 upon a raised to the power m. 2 square 4 is equal to 20 divided by x. Now interchange, x इधर आएगा 4 उधर चला जाएगा, x is equal to 20 divided by 4. डिवीजन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आ गया इधर और ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन का डिवीजन में चला गया. 4 1 are 4, 4 5 are 20. Here x is equal to 5. This is the answer. Find the value of n if 2 raised to the power 10 plus n into 4 raised to the power 3n minus 5 divided by 2 raised to the power 4n plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 3n minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we want to find out here the value of n. First of all हमें सब बेस जो है वो एक ही इसमें लाना है, एक ही क्वांटिटी में. यहाँ पर 4 है तो we are using the property a raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. Here 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3n minus 5, it becomes 2 raised to the power 2 in bracket 3n minus 5. Again multiplied to this first quantity, after that multiply to this to solve the bracket. 2 raised to the power 6n minus 10. Okay, this is the value of this only. Now 2 raised to the power 10 plus n, ये total quantity, which one? This total quantity goes to right side by multiplication into 2 raised to the power 6n minus 10. डिवीजन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन में जाएगा वो is equal to 2 raised to the power 4n plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 3n minus 1. Again use here a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Now this is a, suppose, and this is m and this is n. Here also same, this is a, this is m, this is a, this is n. Now you can use the property here. 2 raised to the power 10 plus n plus 6n minus 10 is equal to 2 raised to the power 4n plus 1 plus 3n minus 1. This 10 plus 10 minus 10 get cancelled here. That is 2 raised to the power 7 and 6 plus 1 is equal to plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled here. Again 2 raised to the power 7 and now just equate that is 2 raised to the power 7n is equal to 2 raised to the power 7n is equal to 1. No meaning of this. Question is wrong, I think. So, okay, no problem. Seven n is equal to 7n. This get cancelled here. I think question is wrong. We will take this again. 2 raised to the power 10 plus n into 4 raised to the power 3n minus 5 divided by 2 raised to the power 4n plus 1 into 2 raised to the power into 2 raised to the power 3n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Now, same way, 2 raised to the power 10 plus n into 2 raised to the power 2 in bracket 3n minus 5 divided by 2 raised to the power 4n plus 1 plus 3n minus 1 is equal to 2. Now, 2 raised to the power 10 plus n into 2 raised to the power 6n minus 10 divided by this plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 2 raised to the power 7n is equal to 2. 2 raised to the power 10 get cancelled. 7n divided by 2 raised to the power 7n. Again, this is wrong. We will correct here. Plus 1, then this is plus 1, then this is plus 2, then this is plus 2. Again 7n get cancelled. Here we will put here plus 2n, 10 plus 2n, that now it is 8n. Now we can solve it. Is equal to 2. Again, this side goes to in multiplication. 2 raised to the power 8n is equal to 2 into 2 raised to the power 7n plus 2. Again, this is 1 using the property a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. 2 raised to the power 8n is equal to 2 raised to the power 7n plus 3. Now we can compare the power, equating the power. Why we are equating the power? Because base is same. This is equal. Base is same. Obviously, automatically, power is 8n is equal to 7n plus 3. Then this 7n goes to left side because it is a variable. So 8n minus 7n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. This is the answer. If (21 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 9 raised to the power x plus 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power y, then find x and y. Now, in this type of problem, first of all, take 27 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 9 raised to the power x plus 3. This is the third power of 3. 3 raised to the power 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 27. 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 square x plus 3. We are using the property here. A raised to the power m raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m into n. 3 raised to the power 3 in bracket x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2x plus 6. Multiplication of this and multiplication of this. Again, 3 raised to the power 3x plus 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2x plus 6. Base is the same. Now we want to compare the equating the power. Now equating the power. X 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 6. 2x ये साइड में जाएगा माइनस बन के, 3 वो साइड में जाएगा माइनस बन के, क्योंकि इधर प्लस है, इधर हो जाके माइनस बनेगा, इधर भी ये प्लस है, इधर आके माइनस बनेगा. 3x minus 2x is equal to 6 minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 3. Now if we put this value in the above equation, 9 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x plus 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power y. Put value x is equal to 3. 3 raised to the power 2. 3 plus 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power y. 6. 6 into 2, 12. 3 raised to the power 12 is equal to 3 raised to the power y. Obviously, y is equal to 12 because base is the same. We just compare the equating the power. Then, if 3 raised to the power x is equal to under root of 3 by 9, then find x. Now, in this problem, यहाँ पर 9 है, तो सबसे पहले हमें 3 के रूप फॉर्म में लाना है. 3 square is nothing but 9. Then instead of 9, we can write here 3 square. Solution is 3 raised to the power x. What is the value of under root 3? 3 raised to the power 1 by 2. 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 divided by 3 square. Then you can use here property a raised to the power m minus 1 upon a raised to the power m is nothing but a raised to the power minus m. Then 3 raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 minus 2. Do the cross multiplication here. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 1, that is 1 minus 4 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 3 raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power minus 3 by 2. Base is the same. Now equating the power. Equating the power. क्या होगा? X is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the value of X. We want to solve this problem. Now find X. First of all, we want to making the base is the same. हमें सबसे पहले बेस सेम बनाना है. 3 raised to the power x minus 1. अभी ये देखना है कि ये 3 का कितना पावर है. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 81 into 3, that is 243. 3 raised to the power 1 2 3 4 5. 243. Then minus 3 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power 5 minus 3 raised to the power 5. Again, base is the same. Equating the power. What will happen? X minus 1 is equal to 5. एक लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड चला जाएगा तो उसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. X is equal to 5 plus 1. X is equal to 6. This is the answer. Now, next problem. It is a very simple problem. 4 by 5 raised to the power 8 into 4 by 5 raised to the power 7 is equal to 4 by 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1. Now we can use here property a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. बेस अगर सेम है तो पावर का एडिशन. 4 by 5 raised to the power 8 plus 7 is equal to 4 by 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1. 4 by 5 raised to the power 15 is equal to 4 by 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1. Base is the same. Now again, equating the power. Equating the power. क्या होगा पावर का इक्वेशन? इक्वेटिंग 15 is equal to 2x plus 1. Again ये plus 1 राइट हैंड साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड चला जाएगा. 15 माइनस 1 प्लस का माइनस बन गया 2x. 2x इज इक्वल टू 14. अभी x और 2 में ऑपरेशन कौन सा है? मल्टीप्लीकेशन. तो इधर जाते टाइम क्या होगा? दैट इज इन डिवीजन. x इज इक्वल टू 14 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 7 are 14. x is equal to 7. This is the answer. Now next problem. 7 raised to the power 6 divided by 7 raised to the power 4 minus x is equal to 7 raised to the power 8. Again, find value of x. Here we are using the property a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power a raised to the power m minus n, base same, that is the a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. क्या होगा इसका? 7 raised to the power 6 minus 4 minus x is equal to 7 raised to the power 8. अभी ये माइनस मल्टीप्लीकेशन में टोटल ब्रैकेट के साथ है. 7 रेस्ट टू द पावर क्या होगा? 6 minus 4. This minus into minus becomes plus x is equal to 7 raised to the power 8. 7 raised to the power x plus 2 is equal to 8. 7 raised to the power 8. Now equating the power, base is the same. Equating the power, x plus 2 is equal to 8. 2 राइट हैंड साइड चला जाएगा, प्लस का क्या होगा? माइनस x is equal to 8 minus 2, x is equal to 6. This is the answer. Now 8 raised to the power 3 into 8 raised to the power 4 into 8 raised to the power 11 into 8 raised to the power x is equal to 8 raised to the power 35. Very simple problem. Base already same है. Using the property a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Addition of all this power, 8 raised to the power 3 plus 4 plus 11 plus x, 8 raised to the power 35. 15 plus 3, 18. 8 raised to the power 18 plus x is equal to 8 raised to the power 35. Again, base is the same. Equating the power. What will happen? 18 plus x is equal to 35. X is equal to 35 minus 18. Why it is minus? ये साइड में यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है, इसका मतलब ये प्लस है, और जब वो राइट हैंड साइड चला जाएगा तो उसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, माइनस, दैट इज x इज इक्वल टू 17. This is the answer. Next problem. 8a divided by 11b raised to the power 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to 8a divided by 11b raised to the power x. very simple problem. एक स्टेप में आंसर है. 8a, we are using the property here, a raised to the power m raised to the power n is nothing but m into n. 8a divided by 11b raised to the power 12 is equal to 8a divided by 11b raised to the power x. Base is the same. Equating the power, x is equal to 12. This is the answer. हमने ऐसे x सॉल्व करने के बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम लिए हैं. अभी इतने प्रॉब्लम करने के बाद बहुत अच्छी तरीके से प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी आपकी. नेक्स्ट पीरियड में, नेक्स्ट क्विज में हम और अच्छे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे इंडाइसेस के. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पीरियड में. तो इसको हमारे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए. गुड नाइट.